Hello, my name is Jordan Long and today we'll be making chocolate chip cookies. I have already preheated the oven to 350 degrees and we have some ingredients we have over here. We have 1 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of normal sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. One-fourth of instant vanilla pudding. One-half cup of softened butter. Make sure you get all the butter in there. One-half teaspoon of vanilla extract. One egg, and 1 1/3 of all-purpose flour, which I already had in there. Before putting in the 2 cups of chocolate, you want to stir everything in thoroughly. And for our final ingredient, we have 2 cups of chocolate. And after stirring this thoroughly, you should get proper chocolate chip cookie dough. Great, just perfect. Perfection. You want to stir in very thoroughly till you get a thick brown-like paste with chocolate chips like this. And the final thing you want to do to get the circular type of cookies is using a teaspoon cup, 1 teaspoon cup, and scooping it in, taking it to your tray, and just dumping it. This is all the chocolate you need. I'm only gonna do 4 cookies for this. And then finally, pop it in the oven, which has already been which has already been set at 350 degrees. Let it sit for 10 minutes, and you have your cookies. And now we wait. Before we reach the end results, the ingredients were 1/2 cup of softened butter, 1/2 cup of white sugar, 1/2 cup of packed brown sugar, 1 egg, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 3/4 of all-purpose flour, 1/4 of instant vanilla pudding mix, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 2 cups of chocolate. And 7 minutes left. Okay. Thanks to editing magic, you don't have to suffer through this any longer. It is finally time for the moment you've been all waiting for. The cookies. Hopefully this doesn't burn me. If you followed everything correctly, you should have cookies like this. This has been Jordan Long, and I hope this video helps you to providing a tasty treat for the entire family. Have a nice day.